welcome to Fraser Island. With this trip, we did the Mahindra experience with people so passionate about a product that it has everything in it to love. We had Roothy along with his personally modified Mahindra, going through everything he's done, and what a character he was. And everybody had the most amazing experience.
This is our first time coming to Fraser Island, and I've never driven on sand before, so I was very nervous about getting bogged, especially having a stock standard Mahindra. I literally took the plastic off the car and come straight over here, and
we didn't get bogged at Inskip.
Yeah, we didn't get bogged.
I've only ever been beach driving, not a great deal. I've been up here before in a different vehicle, and wasn't confident to go to Ngkyala Rocks in it because I just didn't feel it was the I was going to get there.
We took everybody up to the Sandy Cape. Now to do that, we had to get through the infamous Ngkyala Rocks. Every one of these Mahindras did it first time, with no accessories, no bolt-on gear. That's how good these cars actually are. We had a great time, and then we did the mad dash back to make the pass before the tides came in. Watching the sunset over the coastline is just beautiful. You can't get these experiences anywhere else.
I loved going up to Sandy Cape with the people from Total Driver like Gene. You know, they were able to really, in simple, easy to understand way, they explained the techniques that we needed for driving along the beach, and then also techniques needed for Ngkyala Rocks. That gave us the confidence to tackle it.
We've never actually tackled Ngkyala Rocks, so to be able to do it, and me to be able to do it, I am super stoked. I mean, having Gene to help us get us in the right direction, that was really good.
The novice guys that haven't ever been sort of really serious four-wheel driving before, you know, to get through Ngkyala Rocks like that, no one got bogged. It was just...
And all of our Mahindras made it through. Every single one of them, we were all pretty stoked, hey?
Do yourself a favour, contact your dealer, book in for the next one. They're a truly adventure in every sense of the word.
It was a good adventure.
It's a bit empowering. Mahindra Adventures we would totally recommend. I mean, if you're a novice, if you're a beginner, if you just want little tips and tricks, I think that it's perfect. It's a perfect way to get to know your vehicle. If I can do it, anyone can do it.
Yep.
So do it. Have fun.